Hello Bulacaños, it's me again, your Bulacañang Hilaw. For today's vlog, dumaya kami ng Paumbong Bulacan to experience firsthand yung bagong bukas na roof deck cafe dito. The elevator was stunning, parang nag-teleport kami bigla sa BGC or Makati, ganun yung vibes niya. The fact na sobrang rare makahanap ng roof deck cafe dito sa Bulacan, it makes the experience even more special. O, 'di ba? No need to travel pa Manila. I like how homey this cafe feels, maybe because of the warm earth tones that create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere, but the roof deck was even more relaxing and inviting. Perfect to for couples this coming Valentine's Day. It's very spacious, giving all customers plenty of room to enjoy the view comfortably. They offer a variety of hot and iced coffee to suit different tastes. For food, there's a wide selection from sandwiches, breakfast, chicken buffalo wings, rice meals, fries, pastas, and much more. I particularly enjoyed the tosinong bangos and the spicy tuna pasta. Yung ladies drink naman nila na pinaghalong rab at sukang paumbong. It's a must try. For desserts, they have truffles and cakes. Cafe Evita is located here at Paumbong Junction, Bulacan. Check them out. Until our next food trip. Bye!
Yummy!